All right, so I'm back with the Farfisa piano organ reed organ, and I'm underneath it because I finished the crescendo pedal, which is a piano pedal with another piece of a piano pedal silver soldered to it, and I have a temporary wire loop connecting it to the crescendo pedal plug. If this spacing and everything works for me, then I will be replacing that with a piece of very thin aircraft cable and crimp connectors. But it does work right now. I'll just reach up there and grab a couple keys here. So you get a good crescendo as it is being pulled out, which will be done, of course, with a knee. So now if I get up, and I'm covered in dust, get up, the cabinetry is essentially done now. So I made a cover, which now just needs a strip of, probably it's going to be wool felt and not rubber across the bottom here to protect so it doesn't bang. And then this folds up. And then here are the sound ports. I have a tool actually at home. 4 layers of that are going to be glued behind it. And then I also lasered this music stand, which I haven't attached on here because it'll be easier to stain if I don't. So of course it folds down, or will fold down when it's closed, and then be able to flip that up, and of course it's got a little block for the book. So yeah, at this point I just need to glue in the screens. There's also screens in the back for the sound, and that will be done after I stain it and stain the legs and just try to get them into something reasonably approximating the sort of dark, what is this, dark pecan, I guess, finish on here. And there'll be needs to be another strip of felt just plugging up this hole, this crack behind the keys. And a few of these need a little white paint to touch up the chord letters because they got worn out. But other than that, this is basically done. So if you know anyone in Durham, North Carolina, who wants a reed organ, they should probably talk to me. So, and once it's completely done, I'll probably try to play a little something on it. But otherwise, we're pretty much done here. I'll just post again once it's all stained and sealed up.